central Baltimore City in northern Maryland, north central Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, east central Howard County in northern Maryland, until 11:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., stream gauges indicate flooding is occurring on the Patapsco River at Elk Ridge. Other streams in the area. Some locations that may experience flooding include Elk Ridge, Keatonsville, Arbutus, Brooklyn Park, Humphrey, Ilchester, Linthicum, Lansdowne, Haleathorpe, and Linthicum Heights. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.